Alright, we're going to look at this Algebra 2 Unit 5 activity and how to do it in a Google Doc so that it reads correctly. So write each equation in exponential form. Let's take a look at what that would look like if we wrote it by hand. Exponential form, in this case, for here, we would have 6. We'll always do this first, then this second, and this one third as we write it. So 6 squared equals 36. Now when we go to put that in Google Docs, 6 squared equals 36, we're going to do this, 6, and then we got this little caret up here, which is actually shift 6. So 6 to the power of 2 is what that means, equals 36. So that's how we need to see every problem where it's writing it in exponential form. Now, when we get to simplify here, that you could just give an answer. Now, in these ones, write as a single logarithm. How are we going to write this if we were to do this by hand again? Log base 3 of 4 plus 3 times log base 3 of 5. We have a couple things going on here. We're adding a log, and we're also multiplying by this number 3 right here. So we're going to first multiply the 3, and what that means, it actually becomes an exponent right here. So 3 log base 3 of 5 is log base 3 of 5 cubed. So that's going to be log base 3 of, so 5 cubed is 125. And then to do log base 3 of 4 plus that, we can write it as one single log where we multiply these two. So that's going to be log base 3 of 500. So how are we going to write that in our Google Doc, log base 3 of 500? You're going to put log, and you're just going to spell it out, log base 3, and then we're going to do a space 500. Okay, so that's how we want to say it so that I know what you're talking about.